How to create Ghibli art using ChatGPT. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser, and once you're there, simply go to the ChatGPT. And from the search result, you can simply tap on the first link. And once you see the interface like this, simply tap on Try ChatGPT option. And now you'll be prompted to the page where you can see the pop-up menu appearing. From that menu, simply tap on the option labeled as Login. And from here you can simply go ahead and log in with your Google account or any account that you preferred right here. And now once you are inside the ChatGPT, at the bottom left corner you can see the plus icon. So simply tap on that. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply tap on photo library. And now once you are in a photo library, you can simply scroll down and select the photo that you want to convert into Ghibli artwork. And once you have selected and added the photo, you can give the command to ChatGPT by asking it to convert this photo into the Ghibli artwork. And once you're done, you can simply tap on the upper arrow icon. And as you know, this feature is recently added, so it might take some time for you to convert your photo to Ghibli artwork. And after some time, here you will see that your photo is converted to Ghibli artwork. And there you have it, your own very Ghibli art masterpiece. And that's it. That's how you can create your own Ghibli art on ChatGPT. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.